What is going on, guys, and welcome back to Baker's DIY Lifestyle. So in today's video, you guys are going to get a sweet clip of everything that is hidden inside the Restoration Warehouse garage. We came up here to look at our Moto Vantera, and if you haven't seen that video, I will link it above. But the van happened to be in the coolest place on earth, and the guy that was there selling the van happened to be one of the coolest dudes that let us go around. He talked about the cars, gave us some information on them. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you have any questions, please be sure to leave them in the comment section below. And with that, enjoy the video.
So this 40 Ford, a friend of mine built, they had $400,000 into that car. It's been built since 2012, and it's got 70 miles on it.
What?
I put 2 miles on it so far.
This looks like it should be in a TV show.
Yeah.
I mean, what in the world? That sweet little Fox body? Or Toyota? Or Celica? Yeah.
So we also had this 85. We have another 85 that's not here. That has 19,000 original miles on it. This 80 Datsun is a 280ZX.
Yeah, that's
with
sweet.
49,000 original miles, and I got it from the original owner. What?
So, I knew somebody else. We went and I think I bought a motorcycle or something, and they had a Datsun, and it was a lady's car. Same deal, and it looked almost identical.
This
They're
lady
just sitting in the
traded
garage.
this in at Lexus.
No
To get a new
way.
Lexus, and
What?
They called me, and we bought from them. I just got the Mercedes the other day. It's a 23 SL55 AMG twin turbo.
Oh my
V8,
gosh.
8,000 miles on it.
That is wild.
That's a machine right there, too.
Yeah, you got that right.
Yeah, 91 Toyota Century factory V8.
I was about to say, is that a Century?
I just sold a 63 Jaguar that had a Corvette motor. It just went to Washington. I didn't even get to clean up the Mercedes since I got it.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah.
You could about put a baby in there, and that's about it
Yeah,
right there.
you're not fitting any.
Oh
body
my
back
gosh.
there.
That's crazy.
22 Daihatsu Hi-Jet mini truck with like 60 kilometers. So it's brand new. I got it, it would only run 11 miles an hour because when they get imported, they have to have a governor on them.
Yeah.
So I had to take like half the dash apart, figure out what to do, and put 2 wires together. Now it'll run right at 60 miles an hour.
No
But you gotta
way.
like really wind it out and
My
stuff.
mechanic actually has one that's turbo.
And this vet here has only got 9,000 miles.
Oh man. Wow. Yep, that's my car right there. Oh no, that.
Not too long ago, I just sold a 96 Grand Sport with 8,000 miles.
Yeah.
Convertible with red interior. It was so far I'm the highest selling Grand Sport in the country at $64,000 for a C4 vet.
No way.
Yeah. Let's see. The F-150, of course, you know, the 58 Apache is one of my favorites. I'm a big
Look
truck
at
guy,
that.
you know.
Yeah, that like this Power Wagon's got my attention.
Yeah.
Oh,
it's got a
man.
12-inch motor in it.
God, that is a ride.
So I've got a. Oh, he's got the phone call.
Is that factory
Yeah.
extension like that?
They make them in my dump truck too. Dude, I found a crew cab dump truck and I almost bought that puppy. Yeah. Oh my gosh. Restoration Warehouse.
Yeah. Well, it's, yeah. Right. Yeah. Let whatever Adam wants to do. Gotcha. Cool. Well, just let me know whatever Adam says. I'm here with a customer right now, so. All right, thanks. Bye. Yeah, Bentley SUV. Let's see here.
crazy.
The Nomad has an LS and air ride. The 66 Chevelle is my grandfather's. It's got a
Really?
5-speed in it, fuel injection.
Oh, that's cool.
The 59 Ford wagon has a 4.6 liter Ford Mustang GT motor, 5-speed manual, pull over, disc brakes all the way around.
Oh my gosh.
LS in it. There's a Ferrari F430 underneath that cover.
There you go. There's one for Dad right there.
Those are both my personal bikes and stuff. I got 2 others at the house, and then these 2 just stay here. I built this bike back in 2014. The other one I've had since 2010, and then I've got another chopper at my house with a fully built Evo motor, and then I've got an ultra classic that the life rides on.
Yep. Yep, I got an Ultra Classic, an 03. I inherited it from my uncle.
You've got a 100th anniversary?
Yep,
That's what mine
yep,
is.
yep.
Mine's
It's the
a
blue.
black on black. Is yours black on silver?
It's blue.
Oh,
Blue
okay.
and gold. Yep, yep. I forget
Yeah.
what.
Yep. No,
A little bit darker.
I was with my grandfather when we got this 03, and when he decided to quit riding back in 2022,
Yeah.
I told him I wanted to buy it, and we went down for Biketoberfest, and he gave it to me.
No
Yeah.
way. Yeah, my grandpa's got a 46 Chevrolet too, and I've
Okay.
been slowly restoring it, and we've got it torn apart now. The heater hoses started cracking, and we're gonna have to end up. I
Yeah.
think we're doing the rear main and resealing everything.
I got
but
you.
It still drives, and we
Yeah.
take it to parades and stuff. Heck yeah.
Yeah, so this one's LS and air ride, this one's 4.6 and a 5-speed, and yeah.
That's cool.
All of it's all in the store, but yes, all the stock is stored on that door.
What? Yeah, I think that's an understatement.
So I've got more cars over there, there's the actual workshop parts over there, and then, yeah. 2 Land Cruisers there that belong, none of these cars in here are really for sale.
Yeah, yeah. Wow. This is like every man's dream right here. Sweet Bronco. I've got a 1975 F600 dump truck.
Okay.
We own a handyman business, so we build decks and bathrooms and all kinds of stuff.
Yeah.
And when I had my truck, I mean, we'd tear down a deck and have to go to the dump 3 or 4 times in a day.
Right.
I found this thing in Hillsville, Virginia, and it's got a 361 in it. And I went up there. We pulled the radiator out of an 85-ish F600 the guy had because there was a pinhole in this one. Swapped the radiator in the rain and drove it all the way back home.
Like
It's
that, here we go.
been running ever since. We love it. I said if I ever find a crew cab in that body style like that Power Wagon out there. Oh,
So 2012 LFA with 200 miles.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah.
Now that's not you won't run into very often.
No.
oh my gosh.
So that car, if we do ever sell, it'll be 1.25 million.
Wow.
So
That's
then this is a new Beekman 170, the 1,025 horsepower. It's got, I think, up to 50 something miles on it. And then the GT500 is a track pack carbon fiber edition painted stripe car with, I think I'm at 470 miles on it.
Oh my gosh.
Mustang week this past year.
Yeah.
Alright guys, so that is it for this video. I hope you guys were as blown away as we were. We were just completely awestruck at looking at some of these vehicles in here. Totally speechless, but it was the coolest opportunity I've ever had buying anything on Facebook. I mean, if you've ever bought anything off Facebook Marketplace, usually you're meeting at a gas station in the middle of the night, hoping that you don't get shot. But this was a totally different experience, and I'm super glad that we had the opportunity to do this. But with that, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please be sure to subscribe so that you don't miss any of our future content. With that, I will see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.